Hey, what's up, traders? Going 2 for 2 today. EHTH, GOVX. Nothing too special. Didn't really take any size on either of them because I wasn't in love with either of them. And as always, going to jump right into this. EHTH, previous day's resistance was 7. This was after earnings. After earnings. It was after earnings in after hours. And it kind of died off all the way into the open today. Made a decent little move at the open. And that is actually where we started this. Was really hoping it would push up through 7 and extend away, maybe up to around 750. But we didn't quite get that. Was kind of just feeling it out. Really seemed like it wanted to top out here before 7. Ended up getting short here. 696 was the high. Hit it on the way down at 690 and got filled here on the way down. I put an order out at 665. It went down to, let's get to 661. So pretty much got the meat of this move. And as you can see, it grinded higher after that. So worked out pretty good there on EHTH considering just took that small starter. And yeah, would have really enjoyed the nice move up through that 7 area, but obviously we didn't get it and never did. This thing just pretty much grinded the entire day. So the other trade was on GOVX. This one, I don't really know. I'm not really going to use previous resistance back there. Maybe here. I mean, I drew a bunch of lines here. I think these were off the daily, actually, that I drew these. Yeah, they were off these little areas on the daily. But if we get rid of them, as you can see, they don't always use them. Kind of ignored them for the most part. But it kind of grinded. And I was really just using 1. I thought when it got to 1, it would either poke right through. And if it didn't, I thought we'd get a nice pullback off of it. So I ended up starting this at 99 cents once I realized it didn't want to poke through 1. Took 400 shares looking for that move back towards 90 cents and would have been a decent little winner had we got that. However, it didn't do that. It did go down to, I think, like 96 or something like that. We're this close. 98. I think it went down to like 96 or 97, but I was obviously looking for more than that. And it decided to make a move. I actually put an order out at 111 for an extra 400 shares and did not get filled when it went up. It went to 110 and then it got to 111 and then pulled all the way back to 102. Not really sure if I would have taken any off there. My average obviously would have been a little bit above that. Probably not though. So it actually ended up working out in my favor a little bit because I don't think I would have added where I did here had I added right there. So anyways, it goes to 102 and then all the way back to the 115. We end up adding those 400 shares at 114. And yeah, it came all the way back down to 1. Took off 600 of the shares at 102. Took another 100 off here at 1. It actually got down under 1. You can see it went to 98. I had this 100 shares at 96. But it didn't seem to want to get down there. So I took it off as it was going back up through 1. And I put the rest right above this candle. My average was 107, but this candle here was 108. So I put it at 109, and that's actually what we ended up getting filled. So we gave back 2 cents there on that last 100 shares. So was really hoping to get the full move back, at least down towards 85. I was going to take my last 100 around there if we could get it. But this thing decided to go back up to the highs, and it's been chilling out up here so far. So that's all I got. 56 bucks on the day. Nothing too much. Getting a little sad. I'm ready to make the bigger days, but we're not really getting any moves to throw some size at these things. So until we do, I'm going to keep trucking and just wait for some bigger days. And when they come, I'm going to hopefully nail those days and start moving forward. So don't forget to like, subscribe. Always appreciate the support. If you do have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those down below. You can always find me in Discord or Twitter. Those links are in the description, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.